Hello everybody, my name is Ahmed Naveed and today we are going to be talking about Laylatul Qadr. What actually is Laylatul Qadr? Laylatul Qadr, pronounced Laylatul Qadr, means the night of power or the night of decree. It is one of the most special nights in the whole year for Muslims. It happens during the month of Ramadan, the month when Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset and do lots of good deeds. Why is it so special? A long time ago, over 1,400 years ago, something amazing happened on this very night. The Quran began to be revealed to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Angel Jibreel alayhi salam came down from the sky and brought the very first verses of the Quran. So this night is basically, if you think about it, the birthday of the Quran. And that's why it's so important and full of blessings. Fun fact, Laylatul Qadr is better than 1,000 months. Let's break that down. 1,000 months is equivalent to more than 83 years. That means if you pray, read Quran, or do good deeds on this one night, it's like you've been doing it every day for 83 years. When actually is Laylatul Qadr? No one knows the exact night it happens, and that's part of what makes it so exciting. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us to look for it during the last 10 nights of Ramadan, especially the odd numbered nights, like the 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th, and the 29th night. What do Muslims do on this night? On Laylatul Qadr, Muslims try to do as many good things as possible. Here's what many families do. Most families pray extra prayers. Muslims stay up all night or even all night to pray special prayers called tahajjud. They ask Allah to forgive them and help them become better people. They read the Quran. Because the Quran came down on this night, many people read or listen to it more than usual. Most people make dua. Muslims ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for good things like health, happiness, and forgiveness. And overall, we just do kind things, or we try to do kind things. People try to be extra kind to others, give to charity, and help their families. Did you know that in the Quran there's an entire surah about Laylatul Qadr? It's called Surah Al-Qadr, and it tells us how special this night really is. It says that Laylatul Qadr is the night when the Quran was first sent down to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and that worship on this one night is better than 1,000 months. Here is the simple translation of Surah Al-Qadr. So the first ayah is, we sent the Quran down on this night of power, and that will make you know and what will make you know what the night of power is. The night of power is better than 1,000 months. The angels and the angel Jibreel came down with every command. Is peace until the rise of dawn. If you want to hear me recite it in Arabic with its translation, in the top right corner there is a little white bar which you can click on and it'll take you to a separate video. So everybody, thanks for watching, please subscribe, and bye!